What's up guys, Christy Day here at the AIIR Professional Studio. Today I'm going to be showing you a really fun style, 90s inspired, where you can wear your hair down but still keep it out of your face. For this style, we're going to section out her fringe area so that we can braid that back, but she still has all of her length to come down in the front. So we're going to start with styling paste. I like to put some on the back of my hand so that it's right there and convenient for me to grab while I'm working on my section. To start, I'm going to use my rat tail comb and grab a triangular section in the front of her fringe. And grab some of that styling paste and just make sure I get all of those baby hairs smooth and where I want them. Next, I'm going to grab my elastic and create a little ponytail right where that base of the section is. Next, I'm going to use more of that styling paste from my hand and work my section so I'm keeping it clean and smooth. Again, taking more of a triangular section and continuing using the hair from the previous section, I'm going to add more and do another little ponytail. Now that I'm finished here, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So now that we finished the braids in the front, I'm going to go ahead and tease her crown so she has plenty of volume. When teasing, I love to use AIIR Texture Air Spray, and I spray it right on the roots. Then I use a fine-tooth comb, and I comb all that hair down, and I make sure I pull the comb out every single time so that there's plenty of padding. Now that she has plenty of volume and her hair is braided out of her face, her style is complete. See you in the next video.